This video is regarding conservation of water. I found this very useful, so I tried to compile it. I would rather like to put it as a silent video, so simply watch and try to understand the significance of water conservation. Thank you. Agam Kumar Tyagi. This is about the present time when we need to save water. This is about the future when there is no water. This is how scarcity of water will come into play if we keep on wasting water like that only. This will be the future of our generation. And these are the after effects of consuming less water. This is the question which will be asked to us by the future generation. Do not contribute to the destruction of environment by simply wasting water. Let's our channel not pay the price. Conserve water. Yes, we still had the time to save our planet Earth. It has been made by APJ Abdul Kalam. I got it from somewhere and tried to compile it solely for the aim of generating awareness about conservation of water. Thank you.